Meet Matthew. Matthew works in a startup that produces sustainable, reusable water bottles. He's in charge of finance and accounting and financial planning and even BI. Over the past 6 months, Matthew has been focused on preventing cash flow issues at the company. However, his boss wants to benchmark the company against its competitors and to review future cash flow projections. Last year, it took Matthew a whole month to create these outputs in a spreadsheet, and it's been quite a while. He can hardly remember what the latest file was, where the source data came from, and where he got all the underlying assumptions. Matthew spent 2 weeks trying to update his old model. It didn't work. He wished there was a better, easier way to do all this. That's when Matthew's friend Emily told him about Magnimetrics and how she's been breezing through similar assignments with it. Matthew signed up and quickly realized that Magnimetrics was exactly what he'd been looking for. It was super easy to import his data and work from a single source of truth. Matthew was also able to use pre-made templates, leverage the community knowledge base, and create custom reports specific to his company's needs. And best of all, it only took him a few clicks to send a completely updated report to his boss in the coming months. Now, instead of spending the weekends buried in spreadsheets, Matthew went to the beach with Emily. And it seems that those two might like each other. Sign up on Magnimetrics.com today.